Hi, I'm Christopher Showerman. In the next 60 seconds, let's get the quad physique of a mythical Greek with strapped Sisyphus squats on the path of least resistance.
This is a strapped version of the sissy squat you may find in a gym. The misleading name is a shortened reference to Sisyphus, the Greek king sentenced to push a boulder up a hill for all eternity, giving him legendary quads. Wrap your leashes around a low horizontal bar about knee high and pull the hardware through its loop. Facing the pick point, pull the left leash around the outside of your left leg, wrap behind your knee, then clip it to the middle of the webbing on the right leash. Repeat this on the other side to create this double sling hammock. You'll likely want to put a towel behind each knee for comfort. With your weight and your heels, sit way back on an invisible chair while keeping your posture upright. Once your thighs are parallel with the ground, thrust your hips forward, keeping your chest high as you stand back up. And if that's easy, chances are you are a Greek god. Check your equipment before every workout. Have a training partner spot you, and always leave the gym nicer than you found it.
To make your thighs combust like Sisyphus, try strapped Sisyphus squats on the path of least resistance.